Hello everyone. Let's learn alphabet letter names, sounds and the formation. Are you ready? Let's go. Now letter N. And the Newt's gonna help us to write letter N. Starting from the top, all the way down, back up again, across and up. Well done. Letter N. Super job. Well done. Now it's our turn to write letter N. 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 Lovely. Well done. Great work. Now the N sound. The Newt's gonna help us to write the N sound. Starting from the top, all the way down, back up again, around and down. Fantastic job. Well done. Great work. Well done. Now it's our turn to write the N sound. N. 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 Great work. Well done. Super job. Fantastic. Letter O. The owl's going to help us write the letter O. Starting from the top, all the way down, round, up, back to the top. Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Now it's our turn to write the O letter. O. O. Ow. Well done. Great work. Fantastic. Now the O sound. Ow's gonna show us how to write the O sound. Again, starting from the top, all the way round, back to the top. Fantastic job. Well done. Great work. Now it's our turn to write the O sound. O. 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 Great work. Well done. Fantastic. Letter P. And the pig is going to help us write the letter P. Starting from the top, all the way down, back to the top and around. Fantastic job. Well done. Super work. Well done. Now it's our turn to write the letter P. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Now the P sound. And the pig's going to help us to write the P sound. Starting from the top, all the way down, back to the top and around. Fantastic job. Well done. Super work. Great. It's our turn to write the P sound. P. 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 Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Super job. Fantastic. Letter Q. The quail is going to help us to write the letter Q. Starting from the top, all the way down, around, back to the top. And go back to the bottom and across. Fantastic. Letter Q. Great job. Well done. Super work. Now it's our turn to write the Q letter. Letter Q. 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 Great job. Well done. Super well. Fantastic. Now the choir is going to help us to write the Q sound. So we're going to start from the top, all the way around, back to the top, down, and give it a flick. Fantastic. Q, Q, Q sound. Let's write the Q sound. Q, 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 Q. Well done. Letter R, and the rat is going to help us write the letter R, starting from the top, all the way down, back to the top, around and across. Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Now let's write letter R. R, R, R. Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Sound. And the rat is going to help us write the sound. Starting from the top, all the way down, back to the top and a call. Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Now let's write the sound. R, 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 R. Great work. Well done. Fantastic. Letter S. The snake's going to help us write the letter S. Starting from the top, give it a curl, down and up again. Letter S. Fantastic. Great job. Well done. Now it's our turn to write letter S. S, S, S. Great work. Well done. Fantastic. S sound. And the snake is going to write the S sound. Starting from the top, around, down, and then around again. Fantastic. Well done. S sound. Great work. Well done. Let's write S sound. S, 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 S. Great work. Well done. Fantastic. Letter T, and the turtle is going to help us write the letter T, starting from the top, all the way down, back to the top and across. Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Now let's write letter T. T, T, T. Fantastic. Well done. Great work. Fantastic. Now the T sound. And the turtle is going to help us write the T sound. Starting from the top, all the way down, back to the side and across. Fantastic. T sound. Great work. Well done. Now it's our turn to write the T sound. T. 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 Well done. Super job. Fantastic. Great work. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. Great work. Well done. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.